Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So this car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's done just over 18,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.